Hey guys, Alex here with Paragon Performance. Today we've got a little tech tip for you guys on installing the titanium exhaust on your C8 Corvette. Let's get to it. All right, so the installation on this is pretty similar to the stainless steel exhaust. You can check that video in the description. Your big difference between the stainless and the titanium for installation is the titanium is actually going to use slip joints and you're going to have 4 of them, where the stainless steel is just 2 V-bands. So now you've got everything installed here, you've got everything leveled, your tips set where you want them to be. Let's take a closer look at properly tightening down these slip joint clamps. So with these slip joints, as you can see, we have slots in there. We do have to position this clamp correctly in relation to those slots, meaning that when you slide it on here, you need to be able to see just the edge of that slot outside of the clamp. That makes sure we get a proper clamp on that tube in the portion where it was designed to clamp down. It is okay that it overlaps off the tube just a little bit. I like to position these up and out of the way so it kind of hides the bolt, as well positioning them in the way that we can access with the bumper on to be able to re-torque these later. We're going to position it kind of where we want it, and then I'm just going to hand snug it up so it kind of stays there for us. Using a little anti-seize on the threads on these is never a bad thing with exhaust components. Just helps if you have to take it apart later or during the torquing process, get you a better torque load. So we've got that hand tight there. We're gonna grab our torque wrench set to 18 foot-pounds. We're gonna torque this down to 18 as well as the other 3 clamps. Once you've got them all torqued down, we need to heat cycle this, meaning that you let the car sit in idle for 20 minutes to a half an hour. Just try to get a bunch of heat into this. You can drive it as well. Go ahead and put the bumper back on. Just make sure you orientated those clamps so you can access it once the bumper is back on for a retorque. But we want to heat cycle this, let it cool completely, then we're going to come back through and retorque them back to 18 foot-pounds again. There you guys have it. Hopefully that was helpful. As a reminder, torque, heat cycle, cool down, retorque. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.